case he doesn't come back. In case he doesn't return.
Yo, what is up guys, it's Jan here. Today it is a Tech News episode 2. Now guys, I know I said this will be every couple of weeks, but I seen on Facebook the other night what actually people are actually doing, and this is apparently actually happening, and this is weird, and why would you actually do it? So yeah, so today episodes about iPhone 7 again guys. Yes, I know, please don't dislike the fiddle just for iPhone 7, not my fault, blame the people who's doing it. So this is actually, people are actually drawing holes into iPhone 7s, which is apparently reveals a hidden headphone port that goes viral. Pink Fiddle destroying the new Apple smartphone reveals 10 million views, with some extremely tricked into making a 3.5mm hole in the bottom of the drive. The Pink Fiddle shows a man drawing a 30 hole in the bottom of left edge of the iPhone, held in a face. Prince rolls a small sense on the iPhone S6 claims that drawing into the second hole on the left reveals a hidden socket. Once the hole has been drilled, the video shows the iPhone 7 playing music, although the sound comes out of the speakers, not well. Headphones now inserted in the DIY hole. The video was produced by some guy in California, which is apparently a big YouTuber that pranks people, so yeah, he was think so. Which happens if you microphone an iPhone, and can the iPhone 7 survive a liquid nitrogen? There's actually people going texting him saying, "You idiot, people say he was trustworthy. I drilled a hole in my brand new iPhone 7 Plus 250GB and it completely beeped." I can't say the word, but yeah. Do you know how much it costs? 990 English ducking sterlings. Apple Care doesn't even cover that, thanks a lot. Some did say my screen turned black the moment I started drawing, and now I can't even open it. Why would you draw a hole in your iPhone 7 when it's on? That's really dangerous, guys. Take right, you beep. I did this and the sound doesn't not work at all. Are you kidding me? I waited till my dad was asleep, then I went to garage and got his drill and did this. Now my phone won't even work. He or shuts up. Beep. Why would you do this? And I'm going to make sure your YouTube channel is getting shut down. The video revealed over 134 likes, but just under 88,000 dislikes. It's unclear how many of the dislikers were from people who had been tricked into drawing a hole in their 600 plus smartphone. Not only will drawing a hole in the bottom of the iPhone not reveal a hidden socket, but it will also ruin the waterproof of the smartphone, which requires a membrane covering the hole in the bottom of the phone to be undamaged. So yeah guys, I will get a fiddle at the end, a fiddle of someone drawing a hole in their iPhone at the end of the fiddle for you guys. So yeah guys, top tip, do not draw a hole in your phone. Your iPhone, definitely not your iPhone. Or just buy a Samsung. Or an Android phone, full stop. So you can listen to your lovely music. See, that's where mine is. That's obviously a speaker there. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.
What is up guys, TechRex here. So a lot of people have been complaining recently that the new iPhone 7 lacks the headphone jack. It's something that's been on every generation model iPhone. It's not there anymore. You got to use an adapter, or you got to wait until the $159 wireless earpods that you might drop and somebody's going to step on. So I found a perfect solution to this problem guys. It's a very simple tutorial. Just follow along guys. I don't even have to talk here. So now if it starts doing this guys, this is perfectly normal. This means you're on your way to getting a brand new headphone jack. And just like that guys, you have your brand new fully built 3.5mm headphone jack, and best of all, you can take your headphones, the ones you've always loved and known, you plug it in, turn on the iPhone, you swipe, you play your favorite song, and you enjoy the music. Peace out.
I'm a need, so I came to